I'll be, the 23rd of October, I'll be 97. And I've never been in the hospital.
I was going to ask that. Have you ever been in the hospital? Huh?
Nope.
Huh.
The biggest operation I had was on a hammer toe.
Yep.
But that was it. I was in and out, you know.
So what about Ellen? Was Ellen in the hospital other than to have kids?
No, Ellen had a bad accident in, let's see, what year was that? What year was that?
Gary graduated in '67, so I don't know, '64. Let's see.
I was
like
cutting the edge, and there's two hedge trees that was twisted like this, and I couldn't get on either one of them without pinching. So I was trying to go between them, and the saw kicked back, and it was a good sized saw, and it spun me around, and she was behind me, and it just went zip, the end of the blade. One tooth hit the bone. That's what Doc Stewart said.
Wow.
And right now she was bleeding, and they thought she died 3 times going to Lincoln. Leona Bachenberg was the nurse, and she happened to be at our place when that happened. And she came out to the truck, and I had Ellen in the truck headed for Pawnee, but I stopped at the house. And Leona Bachenberg said, you go on ahead and I'll call the doctors. So they'll be there when you get there. And when I pulled in Pawnee, the doctors pulled in right behind me. And they gave her transfusions. And then they took her to Lincoln, gave her several pints of blood. And somebody asked her if bothered her if it hurt. And she said, only when I walk.